In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to Connecteam. If you need to bring a new user into your Connecteam account, there are a few ways to do it. Connecteam allows you to invite people while adding them manually, by sending an invite link through SMS or email, or by sharing a QR code. In this tutorial, we're focusing on one of the simplest and most direct options, inviting someone while adding them manually. This method is especially useful because it lets you create the user and send the invite in the same flow, which saves time and helps reduce setup mistakes. To get started, go to the Connecteam Launchpad. Once you're inside your account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and select the Users tab. This is the area where you manage the people in your organization, including adding new team members and updating user details. After opening the Users section, click Add Users, and then choose Add Manually. This option is ideal when you want to enter someone's details yourself, rather than importing users in bulk or using another invitation method. Now fill in the person's information. You'll be asked to enter their first name, last name, and mobile phone number. Make sure these details are accurate, especially the mobile number, since this is what Connecteam will use to send the invitation if you choose to do it right away. A quick double check here can help avoid delays and make the onboarding process smoother for the person you're inviting. Once the user details are entered, look toward the bottom of the form and check the box labeled Send an Invite. This is the key step that triggers Connecteam to immediately text the person a direct download link for the app, along with the company code they'll need to join. It's the easiest way to help them get started quickly without needing to manually search for the app or request access information later. After that, click Confirm to finish adding the user and send the invitation. That's all you need to do. The user is now added to Connecteam, and the invite message has been sent to their mobile phone. If you want the fastest and most straightforward invitation process, this manual method with the Send an Invite option is a great choice because it combines account creation and app access into one simple workflow.